So yes, hello guys, welcome to the stream. Give me a minute so that I. Okay, perfect. Okay. So yes, guys, welcome to the stream. It's been long since we did a live stream here. Yes, last week we did it, isn't it? Wednesday we did. Last week Wednesday we did, and this week so far I've had zero trades. I've not taken any trades yet. I've saved my one bullet for the week for the stream. Obvious for reasons. What I'm sure. So for obvious reasons, I'm doing my internship and I'm not able to trade. So yeah, market is about to be open within
Sure.
10 seconds.
பார்த்துட்டேன்.
So yeah, and market is open right now. Osbra was doing the stream a couple of months back. He was doing the stream and I was not able to connect. So I was looking for him to end the stream. So he just ended the stream right now. I don't have any idea for today. I was expecting TJF, but with how the market has been moving, I'm not expecting that for now because market is extremely bullish and we have our long-term target of 25,000 very close, but I don't see it going today. Maybe we'll get some play, a tiny short play once the previous day highs has been broken because today we didn't see a lot of volatility. Price has been trading within previous days range, almost like 50%. It was like consolidating inside. I wouldn't say it is consolidating, but still the volatility is not there in the market yet. So I'm looking for the previous day's highs first. I'm not going to long right now, targeting the previous day's high. I'll look for tiny shots around the previous day's high. That is what I have in plans for now. So we might potentially get a SMT right at the highs because we can see that ES is like going lower. NQ is going higher, ES is going lower. And also to consider today's the expiry, futures expiry, monthly expiry. So we'll have to wait and watch how this plays out. Give me a minute, I'll open my other okay. So this is NQ, ES and YM. Can see that YM has dropped. I mean, too much. We had a good shot right over there, but yeah, it's not our play right here. So we'll have to wait, guys. We'll have to wait. Nothing much. We'll have to wait. There is SMT, but I don't see any clean higher time frame plays right here. So if you look at daily time frame, it's very clear. Say the mic, sound கேக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு. So if you look at on the daily candle right here, price came lower. It's continuation, proper continuation. Price came into this FEG, this volume imbalance to be precise. Came lower. We had a good push higher. Just give me a minute. I'll have to check with the economic calendar if there is some news. Okay, we don't have any news. So yeah, it's not time and price today. It's just price today. How was your week, guys? How was your trading week? I mean, I don't see any place right now. I don't see like any play within the market right now. I want to see price maybe hit these highs, but yeah, I'm not sure. If this goes here to the previous day's highs, then it's a good shot. is what I feel. I would have longed if I would have been at almost what London Open. This looks like a classic buy day to me also. So if there is a good retracement into this order block, we can consider buys, or if price first goes to the highs, then we can look for sales. Simple. Okay, we had our L model here, but yeah, like as I told you, I'm not looking for shots from here. I'll have to wait. Main market is trading at all-time highs, so there is no point in looking at the monthly gaps. Weekly gaps, we are like trading at a lot of premium compared to the weekly open. Daily is still loading and WOG. Oh, this is not the indicator. Okay, let price come to its level. I'm going to find my indicator right now. Okay, we possibly have an SMT. OEM is like falling. We have these lows here. I'm not convinced of taking sales in NQ yet because I'm looking at the previous day's highs. I don't want N dog, I don't want N mog, I don't want N wog, I want N dog. I don't want event horizon. Quarters would be good. Background, okay. Okay. Maximum we'll have 6 gaps. That's a good setup right there. That's a good setup. I'm not going to like push today because as I told you, today is the expiry day. I'm not going to push too much. ES is going one side and NQ is going the other way around. So it's not any high probability trade. OEM was a clean trade. Even if it comes lows, then it's a good buying opportunity is what I feel to those previous days highs. I'm not convinced of sales. No major highs has been swept. Looking at 4 hours, still that's a good high, but still all these down close candles would act as an order block. All these down close candles would act as an order block. So simple, trend is bullish. I'm looking for now price seems to be dropping lower. It is coming to a point of discount. So from discount, I'll be looking at longs. Simple. If I were like trading like before, I would have shorted here. I would have shorted here, kept my stop loss somewhere around there, and I would have been looking at these lows. But right now, I'm not doing that thing. I will have to wait. I'm not convinced of shorts yet. If price is going against my bias, I would consider that as a discount. So 4 hour, we have all these down close candles, which is our order blocks. And on now we have this a perfect order block testing below. Today could be TJF2, but still, if there is some good push higher, I look for buys. I don't know. I mean, just looking at the charts, this is what I could feel. How was your week, guys? I mean, my voice is audible. There is no interactions in the chat. How was the week? Week was good, but I mean, I didn't trade this week. This is my first trading day. This is the first time I'm opening charts, I guess, for the week. Just for the sake of streaming, I don't want to like forget what trading is. So, yeah. I don't know. I become like very defensive over all these time when I was not trading, because like everyday trading is not. I'm just looking at 3 minute time frame. I'm happy with even a single hour. I'm just looking at a 3 minute time frame. Took two trades, 100 clean. Okay, great. GG. GG. We have a potential SMT. I mean, if that could keep up, then it's a long for me. So my risk today is gonna be 300. So I'm looking at a risk of 300. Either buys or sells, I'll be looking at. Okay, I guess that's it. SMT is there. I can see clearly that there is a momentum going higher. So yeah, let's see. I'll wait for we 2 minute close. That's a clear SMT. 3 minute close is there, but price has gone a lot higher. So अरे यार bro. From here I don't want to buy it. Even from here, if I had to trade, the SL would be at these lows. If price is coming to this FEG, I'll be happy to buy something here. I'll put my stops to these lows. So that would be MNQ. No, I don't like this rejection. No, 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 no. I don't like this rejection. I don't like this. See if you guys can see it here. In ES, it has went into some sort of liquidity. Still, I mean, let price come to this FEG. Let price. Okay, that's our L model, but still I'll choose to wait because SL will go here. My TP would be around here. So it's like 1.6 R. I'll wait, guys. I missed a good setup, it seems. Just one candle played with our emotions. Let's see what price has to do. Still, we have a lot of time left today. So today in our live stream, we'll be having a giveaway, and also we'll be looking at the weekly outlook for the next week. Since we had FOMC, we had a rate cut, so we'll be discussing about how the market could perform in terms of the intermarkets, the DXY, the foreign currencies, the commodities, the NQ, what a rate cut would mean to markets. Everything we'll be looking at in the stream. After this stream, I'll have a tiny break and then we'll come live in our Discord. Sorry, I mean in my YouTube. And there we'll also be looking at the research report of Intel. I'll be discussing Intel today. Got some interest over Intel. So we'll see how this deal with Nvidia means to Intel and the market. That's a potential displacement. Sorry, I mean retracement. Let's see if this holds. Phone on.
First presented, sir.
Hmm?
First presented. Feature there.
Okay. I mean, where is my kitchen? No, RTH kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. Okay, yes. No, there is no moment. 3 minute good closure. We have previous day highs there. First presented FEG, RTO. I mean, Nvidia. Sorry, Nvidia is picking up. But OEM is like going against the trend. It's going lower, so maybe we could wait. Or if there is maybe 2 minute or 3 minute, I'll go buy. Not immediately. I don't like. I don't find a lot of confidence in the way price trades over here. Yes, there is no strength because in order for one market to move higher, a lot of stocks which is in NQ is also in S&P 500, right? So if an asset class is moving another asset class, at least it should not resist the way. But here, no, NQ is going higher. ES at least should support. Like in Tamil, உதவி பண்ணலனா உபத்திரம் பண்ணாம இருக்கலாம். But I don't know how to tell that in English. At least that ES could be doing right now. But ES is like way weaker compared to NQ. We'll see if there is a displacement. If there is nothing, then we'll just close our charts and move. Let's be done with the week because I mean last week of I mean last day of last day of the week and also the contract thing is also there. There is SMT. There is SMT. There is displacement. But I don't like the way price is being stuck inside a box. Also, let's look at VIX real quick. VIX is going higher. Okay, VIX is like slowly picking its way up, and either that's gonna be a big move. I don't know if it is going to be in our favor or against my bias. Let's say like I'm clueless right now. It's consolidating. I would like to see price behave a certain way, but it isn't doing. Okay, Nvidia is slowly picking up. OEM is also slowly picking up. Let's look at RTO. What RTO is doing? Okay, okay. We have an SMT. No, we don't. Nvidia is up. Apple is up. Apple. I mean, Apple is a huge gap up. Nvidia is also like slowly pushing higher. Okay, I guess that's our signal there. That could be our signal, but I don't see any clean setups right now. Let's wait. Okay, that is an order block. Three-minute is like shit. Okay. GG. You still are in any trade, guys? Have you like taken any trade so far? To chat. I mean, we lost a lot of views. I mean, I've seen 50, 60 views. CFT, but Arey, yeah, this isn't good, guys. Price isn't holding the highs. But here YM has other plans. Sexy YM. I mean, there is a lot of room to trade in YM, I feel. RTY, what RTY is doing? Okay. YM is strong because of. Oh, bro. What, bro? Very wrong, bro. I don't want to catch. I don't want to catch price. We left it here. I don't find we could be catching up. That was a good price, but I don't know. Like I'm not able to execute that with good confidence. Maybe if I mean YM comes a bit lower inside this FEG or something, I'll go for buys. YM, I guess it's done. It's almost going to reach our TP. What else? We have our TP right here. So there is a little room for retracement, then we can go for buys. But yeah, see, we have our L model right here. The stops could be placed here. We could find an entry here when there is a retracement or just at the opening. But the target is like very close. We can either see a huge breakout or else like price could go consolidate, come hit or break even or something. Okay, price is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. YM seems like a good bet. I'll go with YM. If there is a retracement, then we can consider 1.25 YMs. Okay. So 1 YM. Okay. That's it. 270 loss. That's it. I would take that. Very close, guys. That was a good trade. If this would have closed a little higher, then that was a good trade. RTY is also good right now. Five-minute close is also good. 5-minute close was so good here. This is a day where I fumble things. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Bro, my TP's hit, bro. I mean, the bias was right, but I myself didn't have a lot of confidence to execute. Bias was extremely right, but I didn't have enough confidence to go for buys. Okay, I'm gonna take that entry. Okay, we are in, guys. So we are in with OEM. My stop loss just following my model, which I would tell that as L model. I don't want it to be abbreviated, but yeah, this is my model. I've entered there. That and that's a pretty good display. 5 minute closure there. Everything seems to be good. My higher time frame bias is bullish, and I've taken it at the retracement. My stop loss goes below. This is my model stop loss placement. My stop loss placement would go here. My TP, I'm fixing it at these YM new highs is what I feel today, because we are extremely bullish. So that would be my trade for the week. Either SL or stop loss. We'll have to wait. Beautiful. NQ is beautiful, but I mean, to trade that, that's kind of tough. That would have been tough to handle in lower time frame. There were setup, but wasn't that clean is what I feel. Okay, a lot of people are crushing in our Discord. Three buys and TP. GG, happy for you guys. If someone is watching the stream, that's a displacement. That's a retracement buy is what I feel. Applying some standard deviations and stuff. Apple is bullish ahead of its release in India and everything. Yes, we are trying to build a narrative, trying to justify our trade here. So yeah, all time highs is right around these levels. That's not good. That retracement is not good. Yeah, still I feel we could be going higher. That's last line of defense we have with NQ. Yeah, with NQ. Let's see. We are in. TGF is cooking, it seems, guys. We are nuked. We are nuked here. Okay, I'm done. I'm taking a loss and I'm closing the day here. So, yeah, one trade a week. So, I was expecting longs. I was targeting these size. So, market had other plans. We had TGF. My initial plan with NQ is going good, it seems, but yeah, that's fine. One trade. I am done for the week. So, we'll catch you up in the next live stream in CFT Academy next week. Until that, stay safe, guys. Bye bye.